Hi and welcome to another tutorial in Python for Intermediate series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started. In this tutorial, we will look at a few useful functions for working with numbers. Let's start by defining a variable x and set it to 5.6. Now, to round this number, we can use the built-in round function. So, we call the round function and give it x, and then print the result. Print round of x. Let's run this program. So we get 6. We have another useful function called abs, which is short for absolute. And this is the absolute function that we have in math. Give it a value and it always returns a positive value, even if the value is negative. Here is an example. Let's call the abs function and let's give it negative 5.6, like this. Print abs of negative 5.6. When we run this program, we should get positive 5.6. Let's go ahead. There you go. So absolute always returns a positive value. Now in Python, we have several mathematical operations. Now if you want to write a program that involves complex mathematical operations, you need to import the math module. A module in Python is a separate file with some reusable code. We use this module to organize our code into different files. In Python, we have the math module for performing several mathematical operations. So let me show you how to use this module. On the top, we type import math, all in lowercase. With this, we can import the math module. Now math is an object like string, so we can access its functions or methods using a dot operator. So if we type math.factorial, we can use this factorial method to get the factorial of a number. So if we pass 5 here and print the result, we should see 120. Alright, so let's run this program. So we get 120. Another method which is a useful method is the sign method. Let's give that a try. The sign of 5. What do you think we will get? So let's run this program. We get negative 0.95. So there are so many functions built into this module and we don't have time to go through all of them. But let me show you how you can learn about them on your own. Open up your browser and search for Python 3 math module. So here you can see the documentation for this module. Let's have a look. If you scroll down, you can see the list of functions and their explanation. So as an exercise, I encourage you to spend 5 minutes having a look at this documentation. See what functions are there for you in case you need them. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this intermediate series. Also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.